Hi guys, and welcome back to Pretty Peach Blossom. So my name is Esnet and I mainly deal with skincare on this channel. However, every now and again I do delve into other beauty stuff, and today we are going to talk about the Decay Born to Run palette. It's such a beautiful palette. I thought, why not try and create some looks with this. And just bear in mind guys, I'm not an expert in this. I am just your girl next door, similar to you guys watching. So let's learn together. I might learn something from you, you might learn something from me. We'll see where we'll take this. I don't even know what look I'm going to create today, but so let's just experiment. We're going to try and make it vibrant, colorful. I'm not going to be very conservative, which I usually am, but what's the purpose of this if I'm going to be conservative, right? Be sure to be subscribed, like this video, and share with your friends so that we can be merry. The more the merrier, really. So I hope you enjoy this. If you do, let me know in the comments below. And just before I go again, subscribe somewhere here, I'm not sure where. Okay, let's get straight into this. So I'm just going to show you how I prep my eyelids first. I used a concealer underneath. Let me see if I've got the concealer that I used. This is the NARS. I used this concealer first on my eyelid, and then after that I set it with powder. I used this Hourglass powder to set it. And then just before that, actually, I did put the Borean matte cream on the whole of the eyelid. So I am just going to go straight into it and show you what look I'm going to create. So initially I'd say to myself that I really wanted to be adventurous. But as I'm going along, I'm thinking, is that wise, Esnet? And I'm just going to use this big mirror here that comes with a palette. So let's get straight into it. I'm just going to take the color Reef over here, and I'm going to press it all over my lids. I'm still picking up on the Reef again, guys, and I'm just going to place it all over my lid. If it's too dark, I'll mix it up with a lighter matte color, but I think at the moment it's just fine. As I said, I'm not even sure what I'm going to create. It might be a smoky eye. I'm going to try and put some glitter somewhere. I'm not sure, guys, so we'll see where this takes us. What I hear other people saying is blend, blend, blend. So that's what I'm trying to do, even though I'm trying to make this as short as I can. God, I do hope that I can make it short enough. So that's it there. Oh, let's add some more. We said we're not going to be conservative this time, didn't I? So add some more color. And then I think I'll take a much lighter color and try and no, I think it's going to be a darker color actually, and blend into the crease of my eye, sort of to create a division. I think that's what. So I'm going to use Good As Gone. You can see it there. That's what I'm going to take and put it on the side of my eye. Actually, this one is too dark to be on the crease of my eye. So I try and play around with mattes a lot because I'm not very experienced with this. So I think mattes are quite forgiving, unlike a shimmery or glittery eyeshadows. That's why I stick with mattes. Even though we are going to introduce a little bit of glitter with this one. But the base, we sort of just create, we use loads of mattes with the base. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to take Oh, I didn't tell you the brushes I used tonight. I'm going to try and link them down below so you remember. So I am going to create like still shot here, and then I'm just going to try and create that division. Again, I'm still trying to use the artist brush. I'm learning to use the artist brush. It's quite new to me, so I really wonder how much makeup or how much eyeshadow do the YouTubers put for them to actually show as much as they do on camera. Because when I look at it then, I'm looking at this, it doesn't seem as if I've put a lot, does it? But I feel like I'm putting quite a lot. But I feel like I'll need to add more so that it shows on camera. Shall we just go for it? Okay, I'm getting good as gone again from over there, if you can see it. And then I'm just going to try and put it on the side of my eye again so that we make it darker and it's more visible. So nice and simple. We're not going to complicate this at all. I think I have hooded eyes, you see, you know. Oh, we need to do the same thing on the under eye, don't we? We'll probably do that after we finish them. Can you tell I'm really not good at this? But I'm going to give it a good go. Hey ho. Still shot again, and then I'm going to try and blend everything in now using still shot. And then I'll just take this underneath the rim of my bottom eye. This is still shot that I'm using, and a little bit of the eyeshadow that has already been taken from the eye. So it will be a mix of both really. It will just show underneath that eye there. So what do you guys think so far? I quite like it, and I think I am actually going to just add my shimmer from here. It's just going to go into my inner eye and the darks of my eye. So I'm just trying to pick which one I am going to use. Here, shall we go with Radio? It's almost like a navy blue. See if I can show you there. That is the Radio that I'm going to choose, and I'm going to place it in my inner eye. We did say we're not going to be conservative today, so let's go for it. What the hell? Okay, so we'll just pat this here. I know that other people, if you really wanted to make it dark, you could use put water or a toner, but I didn't bring any water with me, so I am just going to pile it on. And I think I'm going to put another color as well on top of it, so that it's not too much of a contrast. What do you think, guys? Do you like it this way, or do you think I should put something else on top? Let me know in the comments below what you would have done if you were me. And we are really going to pile this one on. I haven't even started. I'm not usually the kind of person who uses bright eyeshadow like this, but hopefully one day I'll be confident and I will be using them happily and actually creating amazing looks. Wouldn't that be nice? So there we go. So maybe a little bit of blending would be in order. This is the Zoeva 228 brush, and I'm just going to use Reef, which is over here, to do a little bit of blending for me. I think let's just go crazy and pat a little bit of smog here. I would have gone with Ignite, that would usually be my go-to, but let's go to smog and just pat it in the middle of the eye. Okay guys, I think I am about done and I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. So let's just clean this up. And then I will head over, put on my eyelashes, and then I will come and show you my completed look. I hope it's easy enough for any of you to follow, and if you do, please tag me so that I can see your looks, even if it's on Instagram or anywhere that you decide to upload this. So if you try the look, please show me. I'll just go and finish this off and then I'll come back and show you what it all looks like. Okay guys, so I've just put my foundation on. I used the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation, and I used that NARS concealer, and I've added a few. I'll link everything down below. I hope you like the look, and you're just going to get some snapshots of exactly how this looks. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Bye-bye.